I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're traveling and want to avoid unexpected charges, checking your roaming fees is essential. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Giffgaff account. Visit the Giffgaff website and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account settings and usage details. Step 2. Navigate to the My Giffgaff section. Once logged in, go to the My Giffgaff tab. This section contains all your account information, including your plan and usage. Step 3. Check roaming information. Look for the roaming or international option within the usage details. This will provide you with information on your roaming charges and available allowances. Step 4. Review the roaming charges. Read through the listed charges for different countries. Make sure to note any specific rates that apply to the country you are visiting. For example, charges in France may differ from those in Spain. Step 5. Set up alerts. To avoid surprises, consider setting up alerts for your usage while roaming. This can usually be done in the settings menu under notifications or alerts. By following these steps, you can easily check your roaming charges and avoid any unexpected fees while traveling. Safe travels!